Hi everyone, a whole year has passed since the last video I uploaded. Um, there's also not much views, but it doesn't matter. And this is an unboxing I was eager to do because when I wanted to buy Red Light Wildcats edition, and it was out of stock for the Korean press, I didn't find any videos talking about the Taiwanese edition, which is this one. So I don't know if it's one video right now, but I'm going to do an unboxing of this album, and it is quite similar to the Korean press version. The only things that change are this marketed in Taiwan, and in the back cover it also says Taiwan, manufactured marketed in Taiwan, and there's not much differences. Of course, include sorry if I can open. Okay. Includes a sheet with the lyrics and the things in Taiwanese or in Chinese. Okay, and not such a big surprise or something. Okay. And it also includes a photo card and two stickers, which I'm going to show you at the end. This is the CD, and here starts the photo book. If you have seen all the unboxings for this album, it's just the same. The images are the same. The amount of images is also the same. Not much difference. So I'm going to make it a bit fast because I'm sure you already know all the photographs the album includes. The lyrics of the songs here inside the album are in Korean because they are in Taiwanese in the sheet they included, or in Taiwanese or Chinese. I don't know the big difference, or if they have a language, or I think they have Chinese. They use Chinese. Let me know if they use another language. I think you're not seeing all the photographs, but I'm sure you know all of them. I'm going to focus on the ones. Well, I think that I don't like about this album is the fact that almost every image doesn't fit the page completely, and that's where I don't like. The images I like the most are the ones that completely fill the page. For example, this one is really small. And that one is for the Sleepy Cats version, and it's the only one included here from the Sleepy Cat version, and I don't know why. It's such a good rainy day to do an unboxing. The images of this album are really amazing, and the measures, that's one of the images that, well, almost complete the full page, and the other one is of Victoria. These are the teaser images. Here is coming. Okay, here it is. This is the best photo of the album, and that's all. Just they Amber and Victoria has a complete page for a photograph, which is quite unfair, but well, they decided to do like that. And here we are finishing. Okay, this is the last photo. Sorry for such a dizzy unboxing. And here is the photograph. Sorry, I got. She's crystal. So you also have a photo card. I don't know if the Korean press has this square photo card or is rounded. I think it is square also, and it includes 2 stickers. And something I forgot. This is the sticker that came in the plastic that covered the CD, and it's also in Taiwanese or Chinese, as you can see. So that's it. If you had a question about the Taiwanese version and the difference between them and the Korean, is just the same. And I'm going to put the measures of the album in the description box. And that's all. Thank you for watching my channel, and bye.